welcome much on the media so as we can explore much about the beautifulness of Africa and many more other areas found all over the world. And currently we're just going to visit Lubumbashi city, found in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Lubumbashi, it was formerly known as Elizabethville until 1966, is the second largest city in Democratic of Congo and is regarded as the main industrial center of the mining district of southeastern of Congo. It lies about 110 miles, that's approximately to 108 kilometers northwest of Ndola in Zambia. Lubumbashi is the name of the small local river that found within the town. The town was established by Belgian colonists in 1942. This is Lubumbashi, Democratic Republic of Congo. Most of regional mining companies are headquartered in Lubumbashi city, which is the transportation center of mineral products of copper, cobalt, zinc, cadmium, germanium, tin, manganese, and coal from the town of Likasi, Kolwezi, Kipushi, and others. Mineral exploitation has been dominated by the government-owned organization, but foreign mining companies are also in evidence. The city's other industries include printing, brewing, straw milling, and the production of confectionery, cigarettes, drinks, and so on. Lubumbashi has a city auditorium, National Museum, a Roman Catholic Cathedral, and the Society of Congo Historians, as well as the Lubumbashi University, founded in 1955. The city has road links to Kasai, Lake Mweru, Karemi on Lake Tanganyika in northeastern of Congo and East Africa. There are railway routes from Lubumbashi to the Atlantic Oceans and the Luanda International Airport just outside the city. Lubumbashi also can be remembered as the center of disunification in Katanga during that province's attempted secession from the Republic in the years of 1960 to 1963, immediately following independence of Democratic Republic of the Congo.